My dear viewers, today I will explain what is quantile regression and how to conduct it. You may have often thought what to do if your collected study data violate the classical linear regression model assumptions of homoscedasticity, or data are highly skewed, or outliers exist in the data. In this case, you cannot analyze your data using OLS regression because it will lead to biased results. In this case, you should run quantile regression, which is an extension of linear regression. In linear regression, we predict the means of given dependent variable if data suffer from heteroscedasticity, high skewness, and outliers. Mean does not describe the whole distribution. In this case, you have to predict quantiles for given independent variables. Quantile regression endeavors to estimate the quantile percentile of the dependent variable given the value of IVs, whereas the DV should be a continuous variable in the quantile regression. You can set 25th quantile, 50th quantile, or 75th quantile in the quantile regression. If you will use the 50th quantile in your regression model, your regression will be called median regression. Now I will run the quantile regression analysis in SPSS. Look at this data view. We have two variables, advertisement and sales. Advertisement is the independent variable and sales is the dependent variable, and we need to see whether the advertisement expenditures affect the sales or not. Let's see the variable view. Look here that advertisement is a continuous variable in our example, and sales is also a continuous variable in our example. And you should note that in quantile regression, your dependent variable should be a continuous variable, as you always use in the OLS regression. Now I will run the analysis. Click on Analyze, Regression, Quantile. Sales is your target variable. You have to shift the sales to the target variable box, and advertising spending to the covariates box. If you have any control variables in your model, then you can shift those control variables in the factor box. Now you will click to the criteria. Here you can specify single or multiple quantiles. We will study 25th quantile. Click on Add, 50th quantile, and 75th quantile. Click on Add. Rest settings would be same. Click on Continue. If you want to plot your effects, then you need to click on Display button and click on Plot or Tabulate User Specified Effects. You need to shift your variable to the prediction lines, or you can also shift the same variable to the prediction table, and you will click on Continue. Now everything is ready to run the analysis. Click on Continue. So this is the outcome of quantile regression analysis. You can see that for 25th quantile, the pseudo R-square is 0.653. For 50th quantile, the pseudo R-square is 0.623. And for 75th quantile, pseudo R-square is 0.518. For the 25th quantile, you can see that the coefficient for your advertisement spending is 1.180, and the result is significant at 0.001 significance level. How you will interpret this result? This result means that for 1 unit increase in advertising spending, the estimated increase in 25th quantile of sales variable is 1.180 units. Here you can see the 50th quantile results and the 75th quantile results, and you will interpret these results in the similar manner. Here is the plot of the estimated parameters. You can see the plot for intercept and advertising spending, and you can add this plot in your research paper and interpret it accordingly. This is the prediction table for advertising spending, and these are the prediction lines for advertising spending and the sales variable for 25th quantile, 50th quantile and 75th quantile. Thank you very much for joining me today.
Are you tired of rejection of your academic scholarship? Submit your research to International Journal of Management, Economics and Social Sciences. With us, you will experience a reputable publishing platform that will guarantee high-quality peer review. Our unique mentorship program enables you to develop your research to increase the chances of publication. Our editors are eminent researchers who will provide the much-needed impetus for your academic works. Visit www.ijmess.com and get your work published.